Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to start rank correlation. What is the formula of regression line and how we calculate some of the error. Regression line. This is a formula. Y hat is equal to a plus bx and b is equal to, if we find out the regression line y on x, then this is a formula summation xy minus n. N is a total number, x mean y mean divided by x square minus n x mean square. So a is equal to y mean minus b and x mean, and y hat is equal to a plus bx. So to find out y hat, firstly we should determine byx and a, and sum of the error, which is y minus y hat, is 0. Let's solve one example to find out the regression line y on x. So this is the data x, y, and when we multiply x with y, 0 multiply with 1.0, 1 multiply with 1.8, 2 multiply with 3.3, 3 multiply with 4.5, and 4 multiply with 6.3. So the answer of the xy, the sum of the xy is 47.1. The sum of the x is 10. The sum of the y is 16.9. And when we take the square of x, 0, when we take the square of 0, the answer is 0. 1, the 1, 2, when we take the square is 4, 9 and 16. So the sum of the x square is 30. So we put the values according to formula. The summation xy is 47.1, n is 5, which is total number, x mean is 10 divided by 5, then answer is 2. Y mean is 16.9 when it is divided with 5, so answer is 3.38, and x square is 30. So 47.1 minus 5 multiply with 2 and 3.38 and 30, which is x square minus 5 multiply with 2 square. So the answer of this part is 13.3 and the answer of this part is 10. So after the division, the answer is 1.33. So the answer of byx, the regression line of y on x, is 1.33, and a is equal to y mean minus bx mean. The y mean is 3.38 and x mean is 2. So we put the values according to formula. A is equal to 3.38 minus b is 1.33 multiply with 2. So the when we multiply 1.33 with 2, the answer is 2.66. So 3.38 minus 2.66, so the answer is 0.72. So the a is 0.72. So the next step is we calculate the y hat, which is equal to a plus bx. We already calculated a and bx. So y hat, for the y hat, a plus bx, the answer of a is 0.72, the answer of b is 1.33, and x is, so for first value x is 0, so the answer is 0.72. For the next, 0.72 plus 1.33 multiply with 1, so the answer is 2.05. For this value, for the number 3, 0.72 plus 1.33 multiply with 2, so the answer is 3.38. So, and the last step is in regression line is y minus y hat. So y hat is 0.72 and y is 1.0. So 1.0 minus 0.28, 1.8 minus 2.05, 3.3 minus 3.38, 4.5 minus 4.71, 6.3 minus 6.04. So the answer of sum of the y minus y hat is 0. So it show the sum of the error is 0. From exercise, so x is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, y is 0.51, 0.55, 0.57, 0.59 and 0.69, and the xy is when we multiply x with y. So these are the answer of xy. X square is 0, the square of 0 is 0, 10, 100, 20, 400, 30, 900. So the sum of the x is 100, sum of the y is 2.85, the sum of the xy is 59.8, and the sum of the x square is 3000. So the first step in regression line is we find out the y bx. So the we put values according to formula 59.8, which is a sum of the xy minus 5. 20 is 20 is the mean of x. 100 divided by 5, and 0.57 is the mean of y when we divided 2.85 with 5. So answer is 0.57. 3000 is a x square and minus n multiply with mean square, so square of 20. The answer of this part is 0.0028. So the next step is we calculate a, and a is equal to y mean minus b x mean. Y mean is 0.57 minus 0.08, which is b. 0.0028, which is b, and multiply with x mean, which is 20. So 0.57 minus 0.0028 multiply with 20. So the answer is 0.514. So the a is 0.514 and b is 0.0028. In this question, the question number 4, the value of x is 24. So estimate the regression line of specific heat on temperature, and estimate the specific heat when the temperature is 25. So when the temperature is 25, estimate the specific heat. So y hat is equal to a plus bx. So the value of x is 25. So simply we put the values. The value of a, the answer of a is 0.514 plus b, the value of, or the answer of b is 0.0028, and the x is 24. So after we put the values according to formula, and the answer is 0.584. When we calculate regression line, y hat is equal to a plus bx. So usually the examiner asks this step. So sometime the value of the x is given and sometime the value of x is not given. For example, in question number 4 the value of the x is given, in question number 5 is given. So in the question number 8 the value of x is not given. So we do the next step, that is if the value of the x is not given, so we find out the y hat, that is this step. So y hat is 0.7 to 1.33, so we simply put the values according to formula for each values. For example, for value of a plus b and the value of x. So and if the examiner asks about uh, error, so we do the next step, which is y minus y hat. Rank correlation, it measures the qualitative relationship between x and y variable, the relationship that cannot be measured through counting procedure, or counting is not possible. Accurate assessment is not possible, like beauty and intelligence, or courage and honesty. So there are three types of rank. The question in which ranks are given or ranks are not given, ranks are equal. Rank correlation, this is a formula of rank correlation: 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n square minus 1. So in this question the simply ranks are given. So if the rank are not given, to calculate, how we calculate rank, so like this is x, this is y, rank 1, rank 2. So data is 20, 30, 50 and 40. So y is 4, 5, 1, 2. So in this data, rank is, for example, 50 is rank 1, 40 is rank 2, 30 is rank 3, 20 is rank 4. So in y, 5 is rank 1, 4 is rank 2, 2 is rank 3 and 1 is rank 2, or 1, 4. So 1 is rank 4. This is a question number 32. R1 is an internal assessment, R2 is an external assessment. To calculate D, how we calculate D? 6 minus 6, 4 minus 4, 3 minus 2, 9 minus 8, 10 minus 10. So this is a D, and D square is simply 0 square, 0 square, 1 square and 2 square, 2 square. The sum of the D square is 12. So the next step is we put the values according to formulas. According to formula, r is equal to 1 minus 6. The sum of the d square is 12 divided by 10, which is a total number 100, is when we take the square root of 10 minus 1. So the answer is 0.927.